Kyle here from Wealthy Affiliate. Welcome to the Wealthy Affiliate community. Today I want to give you a walkthrough of what Wealthy Affiliate is, what's included in your starter membership, and basically walk you around the different functions within Wealthy Affiliate. I know it can be a little bit overwhelming when you first step in the door, and I want to ease that and help you through the processes because it isn't overly complex once you really start to understand how the website is structured, and I'm going to be helping you out with that. I also want to get you rolling as quick as possible, so I'm going to show you how to get moving within the Getting Started course and how to best use the courses and how to the workflow works within it. So that is what I'm going to be touching on first, and I'm going to be getting right into that. So here I am within the main Getting Started course. If you ever need to get back to the course, you're going to be able to click the button over here. And this button is a smart button. So it means that whatever lesson you left off on and whatever task is going to take you back to that. I'm going to show you exactly what I mean by this as I get into it. But this button is going to take you to the spot within the training that you left off at last. So just something you should know. And if you ever need to get back to the Getting Started course, this is the button you're going to click over here. So here I am on the main Getting Started page. To start the training, you click this training button up here. You might be watching this video from within the training already, so you kind of understand this already. And as you scroll down here, you're going to be able to go directly to any one of the lessons that you want. You can also see the layout of the different lessons here as well. So this is quite helpful if you're looking, for something specific or a lesson that you left off or trying to go back to another lesson as well. So you can go to the first lesson by clicking the actual lesson here, or you can click the Start Training Here button. So I'm going to click that. So this course is the Online Entrepreneur Certification. It's the Getting Started course, and this is a foundation building course here at Wealthy Affiliate that's been created by us specifically to help you get a business up and running online from scratch. You don't need any experience. You don't need to own any products. You just need you and the ability to work through the tasks here. And there is a ton of help as you are going through the training. So if you ever get stuck, don't worry. There's going to be help there to help you out. So as you go through the training, you're going to notice at the top here, you can navigate through the lessons using these buttons up here. So you can go forward or back, and you can also select from the drop down here and go directly to any one of the lessons. So that's a quick way to go from lesson to lesson. And as you scroll down, usually there's going to be a video within every lesson. Sorry, I'm just going to go back to lesson 1 here. So as you go through the training, there's going to be a video within every lesson. Sometimes there isn't, but 99% of the time there's going to be a video within each lesson, in particular within the certification course. And there's also going to be associated tasks. So these tasks are intended for you to complete because they're going to move you that much closer to success and the development of your website, choosing your niche, all that sort of stuff that's going to lead to your ultimate online success, which is our goal here. So you scroll down to the bottom, and at the bottom you're going to see the tasks. So as you read through, you're going to get a better understanding of what these mean. In this case, the tasks are watch the walkthrough video, complete the account setup process, and understand the membership levels at Wealthy Affiliate. So as I complete these, I'm going to check off these tasks, and once I've done all 3, I can move on to the next lesson. If at any time you need help, you're going to be able to leave a comment down below, and this comment area is always there within the training. So if you ever have a question about anything relating to the training here, please leave a comment. Don't feel stuck. There's no reason to be stuck. You have a ton of help within the community, and a lot of people have gone through what you have already, and Carson and I are both active within the support. So leave a comment here. Below the comment, you're going to notice your ability to ask question ends in 7 days, and this is because we're giving you access to premium support for your first 7 days here at Wealthy Affiliate, to kind of give you a taste of the sort of support you can come to expect within the community here. We're really focused on helping people and offering the highest level of support, and oftentimes you'll get responses to your questions in seconds within the community, and no question goes unresponded to. So that's how you get help. And then once you've completed a lesson, you click next lesson, and this is going to take you to the next lesson here, and then you can continue going through the training and you know working through the training. Lesson 2 is learning about the process of making money online. Lesson 3 is going to be on your niche. Lesson 4 is a website, setting up your website. So it's not going to take long before you're really moving along and you're really creating things. One thing I just want to emphasize though is that you make sure that you're going through all the tasks and completing them all. They're there for a reason, and if you just try to race through the training, you're not going to achieve success, because you're not doing the implementation part, which is what leads you to success. So without building and without creating, there's going to be no success realized. So that's the Getting Started course. You can access it at any time within the Getting Started button here, and you just work through the training and work through the lessons. And as you go through, you're going to really see your business and all the pieces coming together. So when it comes to help, there's no better place to be than Wealthy Affiliate if you're looking to get help with your online business, or the creation thereof. As I mentioned earlier, down at the bottom within the discussion area, you can leave a comment within absolutely any of the training here at Wealthy Affiliate, within any lesson. So if you ever have a question, that's probably the easiest way to leave a question here. There's also some other mediums that you can leverage within Wealthy Affiliate to get help when you need it. And I just want to emphasize a few of those, because most people don't realize that when they're coming into Wealthy Affiliate, they have access to expert help. At any given time, there's thousands of people within the community here at Wealthy Affiliate, actively, roaming the site, helping others, asking for help. So there's a lot of engagement and interaction within the community going on all the time. So I just want to show you a few ways in which you can get help here at Wealthy Affiliate. Obviously, one way is the comments. Another way is the live chat here. If you go to your dashboard, you're going to see live chat that's going on 24/7. And this is people all over the world. You have experts in here, anyone from a brand new marketer to someone that's doing internet marketing full time, and people are more than willing to help you out if you need some instant support. So that's a wonderful way to get help here within the community. Another way is to ask your question up top here, and I always recommend this, because what this does is it searches Wealthy Affiliate, all the blog posts, all the discussions, and all the training here within the community, and it will present you with that within the results. And if you have a question, let's say, how do I choose a niche? How do I choose a niche? This is a common question that many people have. And then you're going to see training. Here's a training piece by me, choosing your direction. It starts with a niche. And then you have all of these discussions that are currently taking place within Wealthy Affiliate related to niches that you can jump in on and ask questions. But say, for instance, you didn't find help within your question. So I'd go down here and I create a discussion. So how do I choose a niche? And then I am looking for help on how to choose a niche. So basically, I'd just elaborate on my question down there. I'd be specific with my help, and then I choose my classroom. It'd be getting started, and then I create my discussion there. So that's how you're gonna do that, and you can get help with absolutely anything you need. So feel free to ask any question within here, and as soon as you post it, it's gonna go to the activity dashboard, and people within the community are going to see your question, and likely you're going to get instant help. Here's all the discussions that are currently taking place, and you can see there's, if you scroll down, there's thousands in there, and they're ordered by what's hot and what's current. So you can also go through these as well. And you're likely going to learn a lot if you just hang out within the activity here, and you can chime in on any of these conversations taking place within Wealthy Affiliate. Say you ask a question, where do you find information on, if people have helped you out? Say you get an email notification saying someone responded to your question or commented on your question. You find these within your notifications over here. I don't have any right now because I haven't been involved in any discussions, and this is my starter account here. So, but as soon as you are involved in a discussion, or you have an interaction within the system, it's going to go to your notifications tab here, which is also represented by the globe up here. So if you ever, if you're ever involved in any discussions and you have any comments or basically any interactions within the system, are going to go to your notifications, and you're notified, and you're going to be able to click on the links and go to them within there. So that's basically the ways you can get help as a premium member of Wealthy Affiliate. If you're interested in that, you're also going to be able to private message people. Say for example, if you wanted to private message me, you would go to my profile, and within my profile there's a private message button. If you click this, it's going to say, oops, you don't have access to this because you're not a premium member, but you're going to be able to connect with anyone within the system, any expert, and there's thousands of experts on a variety of topics here within the community. You're going to be able to access them privately for mentoring, and I help out a large number of people on a daily basis with their online businesses. So those are the mediums in which you can utilize here at Wealthy Affiliate to get expert help. And never let yourself continue being stuck. The only question that is a stupid question is the one that doesn't get asked. So just make sure you ask questions if you need help, and take advantage of the live chat if you really need some instant help, and you have a block and you need to move forward with something. Go to live chat, and you're going to be able to get help with that, and it can be found within the menu here as well, and it will pop out into a brand new window. So those are the ways you can get help here within the community, and make sure you do get help. So the next section here I want to discuss is the Build My Website section. You'll find it over here within the menu under Build My Website. And essentially what this is it's a website creation platform that allows you to build websites in 30 seconds or less, very quick. And these are full WordPress websites, which are the most widely used websites in the world. So pretty powerful stuff here. As a starter member, you're going to get 2 free websites. So if you click the Create a Website button, you get 2 free websites, and this is totally included with your starter membership. If you do go premium, you get unlimited free websites, and then you can also host unlimited domains and do unlimited website installs as well. As you scroll down here, you're going to see some themes. There's 12 themes that are included in the starter membership that you can choose from. These are all very high-end themes. They work on mobile. They're excellent websites. So, and then you'll see some that say premium. There's over 1,400 that are included in the premium membership, so lots of selection there. Basically, a website is the foundation building blocks for your business. If you don't have a website these days, there's no point in even trying to create a business online. A website is the fundamental medium
For creating business, it allows you to create content within a specific niche, and any niche of your choice. Once you get content, you work towards getting ranked in Google and other search engines, which leads to traffic and ultimately is going to lead to opportunity to earn money. So that's basically the process that we're going to be walking you through within the Getting Started. And websites going to be a very key component of your success going forward, and it is for anyone that creates a business online. So this is a very important section, and you're going to become well acquainted with it as you move forward. So again, you access it by clicking the Build a My Website button over here within the main menu, and it's going to take you to this page where you're also going to see a list of all of the websites you've created. I've created a test one within this account here. I just call it My Niche Website. It would be relevant to your specific niche. If you created a website, and here's just an example of the core website that I created. Obviously, it doesn't have any content at this point, but yeah. So this is going to become a very important section to you, and I just wanted to point it out and explain exactly what you get within the starter membership here. And yeah, we're going to move on here. So one last thing I want to cover here before I get into the actual activity and show you around the activity dashboard is the affiliate bootcamp, and I'm going to cover these buttons up here just so you understand what those are. The affiliate bootcamp is basically is training on how to promote Wealthy Affiliate. If you're interested in promoting the membership site here, we have a very lucrative affiliate program that you can take part in, and if you click Affiliate Bootcamp, you can go through this training. It's like the Getting Started training, but it's for the promotion of Wealthy Affiliate. So if you go through the Getting Started training, it's naturally going to vee you off into the direction that you want to go. But just do know that this is here, and then down here within the menu you'll find the WA affiliate program details, so how much you earn along with all the bootcamp courses. Bootcamp course 2 to 6 is included within the premium membership only, and then you have your stats and revenue, all those sorts of details, your links and your referrals and your tracking, all that sort of stuff. So yeah, that's the affiliate program here at Wealthy Affiliate. And then up here within the top menu, you're gonna have a set of buttons here. This top button is actually pertaining to the affiliate program. We have an incentive program to reach a super affiliate conference in Vegas, and it requires 300 sales. So that's why you'll see 300 here, and it will count down as you make referrals. So 2 is your followers. These are the people that are following you here within Wealthy Affiliate, and it's always good to have a network and people that follow you. So that's good, and you'll naturally gain more followers as you interact more within the community. These are your notifications. So anytime like you're involved in a discussion, as I mentioned earlier, this count will go up as your notifications go up. This is for private messaging, which is a premium only system. So this is your inbox as a premium member, where you can send private messages, receive private messages. This is quick write access. So premium members here can create new training, but as a starter, you're going to be able to create blog posts where you can blog about your activity online. Just refrain from any promotions within here. We're a promotion free community, so you can you can blog about whatever you like pertaining to your online journey. So and then you can access the Build My New Website from here as well. And this is your rank. So the rank is based on your involvement within the community. You'll see your rank drop as you are more active and you're more helpful within the community as well. And then lastly this is your profile. So you'll see an image of yourself show up here when you add your image, when you create your account. You can access your profile by clicking this top button here, or clicking the image. Your account settings are here, and then you can log out of Wealthy Affiliate here. So that's an overview of this. And the next thing I want to discuss is the activity dashboard and kind of show you around there. And then yeah, I'm going to quickly discuss premium, and then I'll leave you on your way to continue through the training here. So the last thing I want to discuss here is the activity dashboard. So if I click activity dashboard, um, you're going to see it pop up. So this is the activity. I have some new messages here. So these are my notifications over here. But if I want to see everything that's taking place within the community, I click the activity icon over here. Down the right hand side, you're going to see an active chat discussion going on. You can get yourself involved in this, and I recommend you do when you get a chance. Just stop by and say hi, or if you have a question and you need some instant support, you can ask your question there as well. So this is a live chat, and this is, you'll see a lot of people within the community communicating with this throughout the day. It's active 24 hours a day, so pretty awesome stuff over there. And so this is the main dashboard here, and these are all the discussions taking place here within the community. And you can order them by unanswered, you can order the popular posts, and you can click this button and you can see success posts. So these are success stories happening within the community as we speak, and you can see there's lots and lots of them. So there's a lot of people succeeding here, and I do want to mention that the people that do succeed are the ones that take action. So in order to succeed, I do recommend that you follow through this getting started training. If you don't take action, you're not going to be able to create success. So make sure you do, because these people are no different than you, but they're just they're taking action on their training here. So this is likely going to be you in just a matter of time. And you can also order things by your friends. So I haven't created too many friends here yet, but here's my friends' activities. And then you can order by that. So this is basically how you order your dashboard. Up here you can also see a top 10. We have top 10 blogs that are going on today, and the top 10 training resources that are active today. So you can order that as well. And then over here is classrooms, and you have access to the Getting Started classroom as a starter member, and the affiliate program classroom as well. You have access to another 10 entire classrooms on different marketing and business development topics. So these are really elaborate classrooms, and some of them contain hundreds of training modules. So if you want to become an expert in anything, this is where you're going to want to go, in particular if you're a premium member. And that's basically the activity dashboard. You might want to make an effort to come here every day, kind of see what's going on. You can involve yourself in any of these discussions, and like I said, if you need help, you're just going to run over here and jump into chat, and you can go there to introduce yourself, and you can even help others if you have any advice or input on any of the discussions going on. So don't be afraid to jump in there and chat. We're a friendly community, and we do care about everyone here. So that's the activity dashboard, and you're going to find Wealthy Affiliate to be quite active, because we do have tens of thousands of members here, and there, at any given time, there could be several thousand people here within the community. So it is a very active place, and you're going to see a lot going on. So pretty awesome stuff there. And before I leave you, I just want to give you a quick overview of the premium membership here. So as you're probably aware of by now, we have two membership levels here at Wealthy Affiliate. We keep it simple. There's either a starter membership, which you are right now, and this is this is pretty awesome. And as you've seen in this video, you get a lot included within your starter membership. But we also have a premium membership, which includes basically the key to the community. And if you join within the first 7 days, as indicated up here, you get your first month for $19, which is a close to 60% discount, followed by $47 a month if you decide to stick around. So that will give you a good sneak peek and see if premium's right for you. We also have a yearly membership on the other side if you're interested in purchasing yearly, and that's at a pretty good discount if you're interested in that. Basically, premium is it's way more than you get within starter, and you can see some of the things down the left hand side here. From premium support, personal coaching, private messaging, and some of those systems, along with unlimited chat, unlimited discussions, unlimited help within the comments. So as you see within anywhere where you engage in the community, you have your first 7 days of premium support when you join as a starter. But after that, your communication is limited. So you do have to become a premium member if you want to communicate and get help after the first 7 days. You also get premium websites. You get upgraded security, additional spam protection, 24/7 support for all your websites. So if you ever have any website issues, you get support with that, which is really powerful. People love that. You get to host unlimited domains. You get to host your own domains. And you get premium training. You get 10 additional classrooms. You get all the phases of the training. The Getting Started course has 4 levels of training, 40 lessons, and the Affiliate Bootcamp currently has 6 levels of training, or 60 lessons. Plus, there's thousands of training modules here within Wealthy Affiliate. We also have live video classes each and every week. These are an hour long on a brand new topic every week. So these are very popular here within the community, and as a premium member you get unlimited access to all the past. So we have over 100 hours of past video training on particular topics, and you get to engage and interact within the weekly live video classes, which you're notified of as a premium member. And then you get unlimited access to our keyword tool, our article writing tool, link tracking, and our keyword list here. So there's a lot more included, and basically, if you do decide to go premium, there's absolutely no pressure. If you feel you're better off as a starter for now, but if you do go premium, I know you're absolutely going to love it. Everything you need is here within Wealthy Affiliate to create and grow your business. You're not going to have to go off and purchase more training elsewhere, or buy more support. We don't have upsells. We have 2 levels of membership, starter and premium, and if you have premium, you have access to everything all in one place. So that's pretty awesome, and all our premium members are happy for a reason. So I just wanted to be clear about that. And my last thing I want to say is I want you to have fun and enjoy yourself here, and never let yourself get stuck. If you're ever feeling stuck, ask for help. Just promise me that. And I really hope you enjoy your experience here at Wealthy Affiliate and enjoy working through the rest of the Getting Started training here. Again, I thank you for your time, and I hope this walkthrough was informative and helpful. And if you ever have any questions or comments, you can contact me. My name is Kyle, and within the community here, you can type my name in here and get access to my profile, or you can interact in one of the many ways that I've discussed here. So again, thank you very much, and see you around.